Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. Unprecedented security has been put in place ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Jammu and Kashmir on Friday tomorrow to flag off the Vande Bharat train to the valley. A multi-layered security drawn from the Special Protection Group, Army, CAPFs and Jammu and Kashmir Police, managed by hundreds of personnel, will protect the historic visit of the PM. There is extraordinary vigil around PM Modi's Friday visit, as this is his first visit after Operation Sindhu to Jammu and Kashmir. The obsequious presence of security forces is seen in Jammu city, Reasi district, where a focus on the rail track from Katra down right up to Baramulla town in Kashmir. All vantage points along the mountain tracks have been taken over by the army and other security forces, while the rail track is dotted with CAPFs equipped with electronic equipment, drones, sniper dogs and night vision devices. No chances whatsoever are being taken to secure the Prime Minister's visit tomorrow. You name it and the aspect of the security has been taken care of. The PM's historic visit to redefine history in Jammu and Kashmir is completely secured and safe of the people of large number expected to witness the event, said a senior officer deployed to supervise the security around the PM Modi's visit. In addition to inauguration the Vande Bharat train service, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone, inaugurate and dedicate to the national multiple development projects worth over Rupee 46,000 crore. Tomorrow, Prime Minister Modi will flag off two Vande Bharat Express trains from Mata Vaishno Devi Base Camp, Katra, to Srinagar and back from Katra railway station. Railway officials said the trains will offer a swift, comfortable and reliable travel option for residents, tourists and pilgrims, among others. The PM will lay the foundation stone and inaugurate various road projects to ensure last-mile connectivity, especially in the border areas of Jammu and Kashmir. The foundation stone laying ceremony and inauguration of projects will be done virtually from Katra. The foundation stone laying includes projects like the road widening projects from Rafiabagh to Kumpwara on National Highway and the construction of the Sofian Bypass Road worth Rupee 1,952 crore. Two flyover projects at Sangmara Junction on National Highway 1 in Srinagar and Bemla Junction on National Highway to ease traffic congestion and enhance traffic flow for the commuters are included in the foundation laying program. The Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Institute of Medical Excellence in Katra, worth over Rupee 350 crore. It will be the first medical college in the Reasi district. Included in the inauguration program, the Prime Minister will inaugurate the Chenab Bridge, visit the bridge deck around 11 am, then inaugurate the Anjani Bridge and the first cable-stayed railway bridge in the country. Around noon, the Prime Minister will flag off Vande Bharat train from Katra railway station. Vande Bharat train will take about 3 hours to travel between Katra and Srinagar, reducing existing travel by 2 to 3 hours. The PM will also dedicate the Udhampur-Srinagar-Baramulla rail link project to the nation. The 272-kilometer long USBRL project, constructed at a cost of around Rupee 43,780 crore, include 36 tunnels spanning 119 kilometers and 943 bridges. The project established all-weather, seamless railway connectivity between the Kashmir Valley and the rest of the country, aiming to transform regional mobility and drive socio-economic integration. An unfulfilled dream of over 70 years will unfold into reality tomorrow as Prime Minister Modi rewrites yet another chapter in the country's march to become the world's third largest economy, driven by performance, unrelenting commitment and single-minded pursuit of a visionary leader who knows both war and peace. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.